What's up, everybody? Back again with another Shelby. It's a 1967 GT500 in the really popular color, Nightmist blue. Arguably one of the best colors for a 67 Shelby. It's an early inboard car. Car number is 330. Factory Magstar car, black interior. The car has all original body panels. Really nice car. Very original interior. All original seat belts. Every belt is original. The plastic, the fiberglass deluxe seat parts are really nice. No cracks. Roll bar with your tractors, fold down rear. Nice clean door jambs. Car has its original wood steering wheel. Showing 62,939 miles. It's got the 140 speedo with the 8K redline tack with the clock. Factory radio. Factory, Shelby oil pressure and amp gauge. Headliner's really in great shape. Dash pad's really nice. Got the courtesy lights working. C6 automatic. It is factory auto car. All original fiberglass. Car's really straight. Has really good gaps. Factory gaps, so might be off a touch right there, but that's just how they were. Beautiful car. Inboards. Engine bay is nice and clean. It's got original valve covers, original air cleaner. Just had the Hollies rebuilt, replated. Original Shelby tag, car number 330. Has the Shelby stamp here as well. Factory exhaust manifolds. Power steering, power brakes, all that works great. Just a really nice driver Shelby. All right, let's do some driving videos. All right, we're gonna start it up. driving. We're going to take a little in-car driving video in the Nightmist 500. Trans shifted twice, feels really good. Steering's nice, power steering works really good. Oil pressure gauge is working, amp gauge works, tach works, temp gauge is working, gas gauge, speedo. Clock's ticking, so you got blinker here, blinker there, wipers work, throttle response is really nice. It's got really good acceleration. Nice and easy. Just a great cruising car. Handles good. Work really good. So the car is turnkey, ready to enjoy for the next person. All right, thanks for watching.